a couple of years ago, I was in the research libraries of the New York Public Library, the big, great library that is one of the greatest in the world. And I looked him up. And Durot has his complete works and a couple of other things as well, other than the 3 books, one of which I think must be a magazine or a journal or of some sort. But first of all, just seeing his name, there, since that is one of the great, from the time I was a kid in high school, going there to research papers, to becoming a researcher myself and a writer and going there for other purposes. And at one point I called myself up to, because I have a book there, and the book I did on the Holocaust. And there was something about seeing the 2 of us on this computer, his name and then my name, and I felt so proud of him and of how proud he would have been to see, and my mother would have been to see the same thing. And even though he was writing largely in Yiddish, I'm sure that, and I have a gift, that it's not genetic, but I'm sure that my openness to writing as a career and as something I identified with so strongly, and literature ultimately came in some way from him and from what he brought to my household as a child, and later, of course.